The licenses that you pay for when you upgrade your account can be allocated within the users page. So you can see here I've used 12 out of 12 mobile licenses. Now if you want to transfer a license from one user to another, that's easy to do. In fact, all you need to do is to go into the user who no longer needs the access, uncheck the mobile checkbox and hit save. This will free up a mobile license. So you can see here we now have 11 out of 12 used. And then you can go into the user who now needs the mobile access, check this option and hit save. So what we've done here is we've removed the access from that first user and given it to the second one. Now if the first user tries to log in, they'll get a message to the effect of you don't have a mobile license. So mobile licenses can be moved around very easily between different users. And this is great if you have certain teams who aren't necessarily on site at the same time. You can juggle them around a little bit. We've got a separate article on that. Please check it out. So moving licenses between users is very straightforward. What about devices? Well, licenses aren't hard coupled to a device. In other words, you can have the app installed on multiple devices. You just can't actually log into multiple devices at the same time with the same email address. You'll get an error message and you'll be kicked out if you try that. But in terms of moving the license from one device to the next, it's simply a case of logging out of one device and logging into the next. Or if you don't intend to be using both devices at the same time, simply log into both and switch to them whenever you need. So just to recap, mobile licenses can be moved around very easily from one user to another, and sometimes this is a good idea. If you've got a staff member on holiday or something like this, you can easily reallocate that mobile license. The mobile license can also be moved around between devices. It's simply a case of logging into those devices as the correct user, but you can't log into multiple devices at the same time using the same email address. You can only transfer a license if you actually have one available, so make sure you unassign the license from the person who doesn't need it first and then assign it to the person who does.